Start a safe and adorable mealtime with a complete baby feeding set that includes everything moms need in one package. No hassle of multiple purchases. 7-piece product set in one package, designed to meet every stage of your little one's development from birth to age 3. A soft and comfortable bed that is waterproof, stain-resistant, and easy to clean, designed to catch falling food and keep your little one's clothes spotless, even while they learn to eat on their own. A specially designed training cup that prevents spills, offers a comfortable grip, and comes with a lid to protect against dust and insects, helping your little one gain confidence in drinking independently. A 4-compartment Formula Dispenser, compact and convenient for travel, allowing you to prepare in advance and save time. No need to carry a large milk can. A vacuum-sealed bowl that retains heat for an extended period, paired with a smart temperature-sensing spoon that changes color when food is too hot, keeping your little one safe from burns. An 8-ounce baby bottle with a special anti-colic design, easy to clean, and 100% BPA-free for your little one's safety. Gentle baby bottle cleanser, formulated to clean baby items thoroughly without leaving odors or milk residue. Spoon and fork specially designed for little hands, helping to develop self-feeding skills and build your child's confidence. Every product is free from parabens and BPA, making it safe to use and harmless for children. Each product has different usage and storage instructions. Please read the manual before use. Packed with features that care for every detail to ensure your baby's safety. Order now here. Discover more products here or through the link below the description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss our new content.